Alright guys, one thing I failed to mention in the last video, I went ahead and put my 2 drywall screws in for the L-Girder here, attaching it to the riser here and the riser down there. And as I showed you in the last video, it leveled up just fine. What I wanted to do is I wanted to do that same thing to the rear L-Girder here, and I don't have anything tacked down yet. I've just got it quick clamped. And the reason being is because I definitely want, I want to be level across here, before I install the joist. So in other words, this is exaggerated of course, but I don't want the joist sitting at an angle. I want them to be nice and level as well. So I decided to go ahead and attach the rear L-Girder next at its 2 outer ends, just to make sure that my joists are going to install nice and level. The other thing I did is if you're like me and you have something that's what I like to refer to as an immovable boundary, in other words it will not move, i.e. the wall, this L-Girder here was about a 1/4 inch too long. You see how the wood's kind of splintered there a little bit. I had to take off about a 1/4 of an inch, so I checked that before I put this one down. And because as you can see, both of these L-Girders share the same riser here. So if you're if you have something like that where there's no wiggle room in there, you might want to just kind of put it down, make sure it's all going to fit first before you start installing.